We're pushing deeper into the jungle now. The road is rough and the rain isn't helping, but the van is holding up.
We just pushed through the last stretch of the trail. This clearing is exactly what we were looking for. Organization is key out here. Everything needs to be waterproof and accessible, especially the stove and the knife. It's wet out here, but we're prepared for anything this forest throws at us. It's been raining hard all morning, but the tarp is secure. This is the ideal spot to weather the storm and organize the gear. Nothing beats a hot meal when you're caught in a downpour like this. Almost ready to eat. Finally dry. This rain is relentless, but these noodles smell incredible right now. Just finished setting up camp. Time for some much needed noodles. It's beautiful out here, isn't it? Day 3 in the rainforest. Getting the shelter ready before dark. It's surprisingly cozy in here. The jungle never sleeps, but this spot is perfect for riding out the rain.